Meantime, smoke from all these fires. We've been talking about the hazy conditions and the smog. You can't see Lake Tahoe. That's the view on the left-hand side. And in the middle, that's Pleasant Hill, where we get that orange glow and then all of the brown kind of foggy look, but was really smoggy. And then the ash on some people's car, that's Martinez, but it was all over the place.
Yeah, especially out in the East Bay, too. I know out where I live, I saw ash coming down on the cars. The air quality advisory has been extended through tomorrow. We've got KRON 4's Will Tran on the story for us out in the East Bay, where, Will, you said you also saw ash coming down in your neighborhood.
Oh, definitely ash was falling down yesterday, and it continues to fall down, and unfortunately, we are not seeing any breeze to push it out of here. Look at the hills right behind me. I'm high up in Lafayette, and that is not fog. I wish it was fog. Instead, it's all that smoke that's coming south. Because of all the fires north of us, it's coming down here and it's sitting right on top of us. Right now, the Bay Area quality is considered moderate, but if you talk to a lot of people, they believe it's downright awful. It is not windy, the trees are still, and it looks like it's going to be this way for quite some time. Another orange sunrise, so we will see that also for quite some time because the air quality is just deplorable. And how do we know that? Because even a mask, we tracked down doctors, get this, a lot of people turn to N95 masks, which by the way are selling out at a lot of places. They believe those high-end masks will protect them, especially if they're out working out, running, jogging, you name it, exercising, doing yard work, that will help them. According to one doctor, he says not so fast.
I see pictures of people jogging wearing an N95 mask. They're not understanding the picture. That is not a healthy thing to do. Even an N95 mask, a respirator mask, they call it N95 because it screens out 95% of the particulate matter that's 2.5 microns or smaller. Well, that means 5% is getting through. And especially if you're jogging and breathing fast, you're going to be absorbing that.
And here's the rub, guys. So if you're out there even with an N95 mask, your lungs could get inflamed. And once it gets inflamed, there's a chance that you could come down with illness like COVID-19. And yes, you can get COVID-19 even if you're vaccinated. So it's a tough situation, but probably the best situation is to try to stay indoors, recirculate your air with your air conditioning or inside your car. Full disclosure, knucklehead alert here. I ran yesterday. I should not have done that. James, this is one time you were onto something by not even exercising. Back to you.
Always ahead of the curve when it comes to protecting my health. Thank you very much, Will.
Oh my gosh, yeah. So thank you, Will. Don't do that again. Stay inside and even get an air cleaner like you were talking about, James.
Yeah, looking into that right now.
8:11 is the time right